Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Meera and Arjun podcast, the show where we learn real American English together, one situation at a time. I am Meera.
And I am Arjun. And today I have a coffee story that will make you never want to order coffee in America alone.
Oh no, what happened this time, Arjun?
Meera, I walked into a coffee shop. Simple, right? I just wanted one coffee. One simple coffee.
Okay. And?
The girl at the counter smiled and said, "Hi, what can I get started for you today?"
Normal cafe greeting, yes.
I said, "Started? Nothing is started yet. I just arrived. Can I get a coffee, please?"
Arjun.
She looked confused. Then she said, "Sure. What size are you thinking? Tall, Grande, or Venti?"
Classic sizes, yes.
I said, "Tall, please. I want the big one."
Oh no.
She gave me the smallest cup, Meera. The smallest. Tall means small? Who decided this?
Oh, Arjun, this happens to everyone the first time.
It gets worse. She then asked, "Do you want room for that?" I looked around the cafe and said, "Room? There is plenty of room here. Many empty tables."
I cannot breathe, Arjun.
She was so confused. Then she asked, "What name for the order?" I said, "Arjun." She wrote Arjun on the cup.
Okay.
Today we are going to fix all of this. By the end of this episode, you will be able to order coffee in any American cafe like a complete native speaker. Please, my dignity depends on this.
Okay, everyone,
Let us start from the very beginning. When you walk into any American cafe, the first thing the person at the counter will say is a greeting, and American cafe greetings are very specific. Starting with the one that confused me. What can I get started for you? Exactly. So, what can I get started for you simply means what would you like to order? The word started just means they're ready to begin making your drink. It is a polite, friendly way of asking for your order. So, the correct response is just tell them what you want, not comment on whether things have started or not.
exactly. You simply say, exactly. You simply say, can I get a medium coffee, please? Or, I will have a latte, please. Simple and direct.
Noted. What can I get started for you equals what would you like to order?
Other common greetings you will hear, what are you having today? What can I get for you? Hi, what would you like? Go ahead and order whenever you are ready.
All of these just mean tell me your order?
All of them, yes. Americans are very casual and friendly in cafes. Do not overthink it. Just smile back and say your order.
Smile and order. Got it.
Now, the most confusing part of American coffee ordering. Sizes. Because Americans do not say small, medium, and large like normal human beings. They use tall, grande, and venti, which makes zero sense. Let me explain. Tall equals small. Grande equals medium. Venti equals large. Trenta equals extra large, only for cold drinks.
So tall is small, grande, which means big in Spanish, is actually medium, and venti, which means 20 in Italian, is large.
You actually did your research.
I Googled everything after the incident, Meera. Everything.
For other cafes, they usually say small, medium, large, which is normal sizing. Always safe to ask, what sizes do you have, if you're not sure?
What sizes do you have? Simple question saves embarrassment.
Exactly. Now, the phrase that confused Arjun the most. Do you want room for that?
Room? For that? I thought she was offering me a table.
Okay, so do you want room in a coffee context means do you want space left at the top of your cup for milk or cream? When they fill your coffee, they can leave a little space at the top so you can add your own milk or sugar.
So, room means empty space in the cup, not a physical room.
Exactly. If you want to add your own milk, say, yes, please leave room. If you want the cup completely full, say, "No, thank you. Fill it up, please."
Fill it up. I like that phrase. Very confident.
Other phrases. "Can you leave a little room?" "Fill it to the top, please." "I will add my own cream." "Just black, please," which means no milk, no sugar at all.
Just black.
That sounds very serious and cool.
Very common phrase. "Just black, please" means plain coffee, nothing added.
Next time, I am saying just black. Very cool.
Now, let us talk about customizing your order, because Americans love to customize their coffee. Number 1, can I get that iced? This means I want my drink cold with ice instead of hot.
So instead of saying cold coffee, please, I say, can I get that iced?
Exactly, much more natural. Number 2, can I get an extra shot? This means add one more shot of espresso. Makes the coffee stronger.
For when you need more energy, like Monday mornings.
Every morning for most Americans. Number 3, can I get that with oat milk? Americans have many milk options. Whole milk, skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk.
So many choices. In India, I just say, Bhaiya, ek chai dena?
Welcome to America, Arjun. Number 4, can I get that sugar-free? This means use sugar-free syrup instead of regular syrup. And number 5, can I get extra whip? Whip means whipped cream on top.
Extra whip.
I like that. Very indulgent. So a full customized order sounds like this. Can I get a Grande iced latte with oat milk, 1 extra shot, and no sugar, please?
That is one sentence, but it feels like a whole paragraph.
Welcome to American coffee culture. Now, paying and picking up your order. When you order, they always ask, "Can I get a name for the order?" or "What name should I put?"
And they wrote Arjun on my cup?
Yes. For difficult names, just use a simple English nickname. You can say, just put AJ or put Raj, something easy to spell and call out.
AJ. I am AJ from now on at coffee shops.
Smart. When your order is ready, they will call out the name and say, "Order for AJ," or "AJ, your drink is ready." Then you go to the pickup counter and collect it.
The pickup counter, not the ordering counter.
Correct. Always 2 counters in American cafes. Ordering counter and pickup counter. Never stand at the ordering counter waiting for your drink.
I did that too, Meera. I stood at the ordering counter for 5 minutes.
Oh, that explains so much.
And the last important phrase. Tipping. In America, tipping at cafes is common, and the machine will usually ask you, "Would you like to add a tip?"
How much tip is normal?
For coffee, $1 to $2 is very common. The machine usually shows options, 10%, 15%, 20%, or custom amount, or no tip.
Is it rude to say no tip?
For a simple drip coffee, no tip is okay. For a complex customized drink with a friendly barista, a small tip is appreciated.
Barista. That is the word for coffee maker, right?
Exactly. The person who makes your coffee is called a barista. Not coffee uncle. Not coffee walla.
I definitely said coffee walla in my head.
We all did, Arjun. We all did.
Bonus section! Because Americans do not just order coffee normally. They have their own coffee slang too. And if you do not know these words, you will be completely lost.
More secret language, of course.
Slang word number 1. Shot in the dark. This means a regular drip coffee with 1 shot of espresso added. Super strong coffee, nothing to do with shooting anything.
So if someone says, I need a shot in the dark today, they mean strong coffee?
Exactly. Usually said on Monday mornings.
Every Monday is a shot in the dark Monday, honestly.
Slang word number 2. Half calf. Half calf means half regular coffee and half decaf mixed together for people who want a little caffeine, but not too much.
Half the energy, half the chaos.
Exactly. Slang word number 3. Double double. This means 2 sugars and 2 creams in your coffee. Just say, "Can I get a double double, please?"
So instead of saying 2 sugars and 2 creams, Americans just say double double? That sounds very cool, actually.
Slang word number 4. Brain juice. This is casual slang for coffee itself. Americans sometimes call coffee brain juice because it wakes up your brain.
Brain juice. That is disgusting and perfect at the same time.
You will hear Americans say, "I need my brain juice," or "no brain juice yet today," meaning they have not had coffee yet.
I have not had my brain juice yet. That is my new phrase.
And slang word number 5, cup of joe. This is the most classic American slang for coffee. Cup of joe simply means a cup of coffee. Every American understands it instantly.
So I can walk into any cafe and say, "Can I get a cup of joe, please?"
Every American will smile and immediately know you want coffee. Very natural, very local sounding.
Cup of joe, double, brain juice, shot in the dark, half calf. I feel like a real American coffee person now.
Coffee connoisseur, Arjun.
Coffee connoisseur AJ. That is my new phrase now.
Practice time. I am going to be the barista. You order correctly. Ready?
I am ready. I am a new man. AJ is ready.
Hi, welcome. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a grande iced coffee, please?
Great. Do you want room for that?
No, thank you. Fill it up, please.
Perfect. Any milk or sugar?
Can I get that with oat milk, please?
Of course. Can I get a name for the order?
Just put AJ, please.
Arjun, that was perfect.
AJ is a fast learner, Meera.
Let us try one more, harder this time. Hi, what are you having today?
Can I get a venti hot latte with oat milk, 1 extra shot, and sugar-free vanilla, please?
Room for that?
No, thank you. Fill it up.
Name?
AJ.
100% correct. I am so proud.
Last time I asked about rooms and round shapes. Look at me now, Meera. Look at me now.
You have come so far, Arjun. Quiz time! I will say an American cafe phrase and you tell me what it means. Ready?
Born ready. AJ does not fail quizzes.
Question 1. What can I get started for you?
What would you like to order?
Correct. Question 2. Do you want room for that?
Do you want space left in the cup for milk or cream?
Perfect. Question 3. Can I get a name for the order?
What name should I write on your cup?
Excellent. Question 4. For here or to go?
Are you drinking here or taking it with you?
100%. And last one, what does cup of joe mean?
A cup of coffee. Classic American slang.
Arjun, 5 out of 5. Perfect score.
Arjun on the cup will never happen again, Meera. Never again.
I am so proud of you, honestly. Quick summary of everything we learned today.
What can I get started for you means what would you like to order?
Sizes. Tall is small. Grande is medium. Venti is large.
Do you want room means space for milk or cream, not a table.
Customization phrases. Iced, extra shot, oat milk, sugar-free, extra whip.
Coffee slang, shot in the dark, half calf, double, brain juice, cup of joe.
For here or to go means drinking here or taking it with you.
And most importantly, at any coffee shop, just tell them your name is AJ. Trust me.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe because every week Arjun has a new disaster and we turn it into an English lesson.
My embarrassing wife is your English education. You are very welcome.
New episode every Wednesday and Sunday. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye. And coffee shops everywhere, please start writing names correctly. Thank you.